Hi, this is Peter. Today I want to introduce you is the Canon 24mm T1.5 Cine lens EF mount. So we are now attached to C300. So I think most of people will be comparing these lenses with the Carl Zeiss CP2. So if you compare with Carl Zeiss CP2, and then I will think about like the 25mm 2.9 t-stops. For this lens, but this lens is actually 1.5 t-stop. So if you compare with the f-stop comparison, and then it will talking about like maybe f1 or 1.2. So for this kind of iris, and then you can have a lot of like maybe creativity. For example, you can have like a very nice no light night shots, and then you can have a very nice shallow depth of field. And because of the design, they have 14 plane for the iris. So that means you can even have quite a nice Milky depth of field too, because of the design of these lenses. And on the other hand, they have actually built in stepless iris from T1.5 to 22. And for the focus, they have totally 300 degrees from the closest focus length to the infinity. So you will find out, okay, why I have to have like 300 degrees. And this because, for example, like when you having some shots, maybe a very close up, like maybe a product shots, it's talking about a focus in between 1 meter and 1.1 meter, or maybe less than 1.1 meter. If you don't have like maybe that space for you to do like maybe, for example, like maybe 1 meter to 1.1 meter like this, how can you just like do so precise focus through the lenses? So for most of the Cine lenses, you can have this kind of like creativity. So because we cannot like maybe put onto a video onto maybe YouTube or Vimeo and then give you how detail or maybe how the characteristic of these lenses. So what we do is we will put these lenses onto a 5D Mark II, and then we will take some photos and then to show you how the characteristics of these lenses. And you can visit our ANS website and then to see how it perform.